Assalamu alaikum. This is data structure and algorithm subject, chapter 8, sorting and searching. What is a sorting here? Sorting means that you are going to arrange the data in alphabetical order or ascending or descending order. Okay, it might be alphabetically or it might be numbers. Okay, so and here we have some numbers here. So we are going to use two types of sorting methods, okay, so that the lowest number is going to up at the end here, then after that it is going down. Okay, so it is ascending order. The lowest one, then after that bigger, the biggest one will be in the down. This is called the sorting. Okay, for example, alphabetically, we are going to put A, B, C, something like this. This is alphabetically ascending order. This is a sorting. Okay, how about the searching? Searching is that you are going to find the element and the set of the data. Okay, for example, 55 is in which place? It is in the third place. It is safe here. Okay, for example, you are going to find 33. Okay, the 33 is safe in this place. Okay, so you are going to find the element. So we are going to cover only the sorting using the two technique in this chapter. Okay, so this is the question here. Sort an array of 44, 33, 55, 22, 11. Okay, you are going to give 5 numbers. Okay, so from here in the exam, okay, it is going to be coming this kind of question. Sort an array of the 5 numbers, different 5 numbers will be given, and then you are going to, okay, be given, okay, what type of sorting you are going to use. Okay, we are going to you learn only 2 types of sorting. Selection sorting is here, and then after that bubble sorting will be in the next slide. Okay, so please read the question carefully. So we are going to use the selection sorting first. Whatever sorting, whatever types of the sorting we use, so at the end we are going to get the result like this. Okay, so now look at the selection sorting. So these are the 5 numbers it is given here. 44 is the first place, okay, and 33. When you enter the data in the computer, you enter like this. 44 enter first, after that 33, after 55, okay, 22, and 11. This is how you enter the numbers in the computer. So when you are going to, okay, select as ascending, the computer will solve all these steps in order to get this number result. Okay, because the computers are very fast, very powerful these days, so we cannot see how the computer is solving inside there. So usually this is this way in order to come out this result at the end when we click the ascending. Okay, so these are the numbers we are going to enter, okay, and the system. So the system will solve step by step, and at the end you are going to get this result. Okay, so what does this mean? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we always know that, okay, in the system, okay, the elements start from the 0 always. Okay, so this is a 0 first place, and then after the 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so this is the elements always start from the 0. You are going to save in this place and then go. Okay, these are the same things here. Okay, the same things here. So look at the here. The first iteration one means then the first step, what you are going to check there. You are going to check the first one here. Here you have a 44. You are going to check with this 44 with the next one. The first and second one you are going to check. And then you will see whether this number is smaller or which number is smaller, because you are going to put the smaller number to the top first. So when you look at here, 44 and 33, in this case, 33 is smaller. So you are going to move this smaller to the up, and then 44 is going their place. So 33 is going up, this 44 is going. Okay, now with the first place, check the then third element. Okay, because the first one is finished, the first and second already checked. Now the first and third you are checking now. The first and third you check it here. So look at the 33 and 55. Okay, because no need to change. 33 is already smaller, 55 is bigger. So no need to change, because I always say that if this one is smaller, put it on the top, because the smaller ones should be always on the top. So in this case, 33 is already smaller, 55 is there bigger, so no need to change. So just leave it, no need to change, because see, and next step here, 33 is already here, and then 55 is here, without changing the position. Okay, we are not changing. So now check with the first one and the fourth one, 33 and 22. When we look at the 33 and 22 here, okay, so now we know that 22 is smaller. So we are going to change the place. 22 will be go up, and then 33 will be in this place. Change these two places. So 22 is going up, and then 33 is going to this place, 22 place. Okay, so check again the first one and the last one, fifth one. Okay, 22 and 11, and here definitely 11 should go up. Okay, 11 is going up, and then 22 is going down. Okay, so this is like that. With the first one, you are checking one by one. Okay, so now the first one is already finished, because this 11 is already going up. Okay, because 11 is going already up, and then 22 will be in this place. So now this step, the first one is already finished. Now we are going to follow the same step. Now the second one with the third one, second one with the fourth one, and then second one with the last one. Okay, we will follow the same procedure. This one, the first one is finished, so we stop, leave the first one without doing it. Now 44 and 55, no need to change, because 44 is already smaller and then it is already on the top, so no need to change. So we just put it in its own places. Now 44 check with the another one, 33. Now we have to change the place now, because 33 is smaller than 44, so 33 will go to these 44 places, and then 44 will be in 33 place. We change the position. Okay, now the 33 with the last one. So we are going to change the place again, because 33 is bigger, 22 is smaller. So smaller will go on top, 33 will be go down. So 22 is here now. So now here is a 22, and then 33 is already go down. So we finish already the first one and the second one here. The first one this side, the second one this one. So now we are going for the third round. The third one with the fourth, and then the third one is the fifth. Now 55 and 44, check here. Definitely we have to change, because 44 is smaller than 55, so 44 will go to the 55 place, and then 55 is coming to the 44 place. Okay, so look at here, we already changed. Okay, 44 is going up, and then 55 is going down. Now 44 and check the last one. Okay, now we have to change the position, because 33 is smaller. Okay, 33 will go to 44 place, and then 44 will go to the 33 place. Now the last step is only this one, because 55 and 44, when we check here, so we are going to change. 44 is smaller, so we pull up, 55 will be down. So now this is the result, because after the sorting, we will get the which one is smaller. One smallest will be on the top, the largest one will be in the down, and then these are the bigger is coming. Okay. So when we use the computer, okay, we got, depending on the how your processor work, we get the results very quickly when we click ascending on descending. So inside the computer, they solve step by step like this. We cannot see. Okay, so this is the selection sorting. Okay, there are many types of sorting. So this is one of the sorting technique. This is called selection sorting. So in the exam, okay, so you are going to get, okay, this one. for 5 marks, whether selection sorting or bubble sorting. Okay, so I'm going to give also assignment also for 5 marks. Okay, so this is the, please practice. It is very, very easy. You can easily get this one full marks, okay, compared to the writing program. Next one is going to be the same numbers, but we are going to use the bubble sorting. So in this exam, please read carefully, okay, what type of sorting you are going to use, whether this is the bubble sorting or this is the selection sorting. Okay, so again at the end you are going to get this result, because the smallest one will be the top, after that the bigger, then the last one will be the biggest. Okay, so in this technique, what is the difference is that, okay, so before selection sorting, with the first one we are checking one by one, with the first one second, first one third, first one fourth, and then first one, and then last one. But now here we don't check with the first one, we are checking, okay, like this, the first one with the second. Okay, so because 33 is smaller, so we put the 33 up, we change the position. So whenever you check two numbers, always remember that the smaller one will be going up. Okay, so and here 44 and 33, 33 is smaller, so smaller go up, bigger one go down. So now we are going for second and third. Okay, this is a different technique. Okay, before we check with the first one with everything and the selection sorting, but now here, after first one and second, now we go to second and third. 44 and 55, okay, no need to change because 44 is already smaller than 55, so we put the same place here. So now we are going for the third one with the fourth one, 55 and 22. 22 is smaller, so definitely go up. Okay, so 22 is now here, 55 is go down. Now 55 and 11, so definitely 11 will go to this place. Okay, so this is the first try is finished now. Okay, so we are going to repeat the same methods. Okay, first with second, second with third, third with fourth, something. Okay, and then fourth with, and so on. And here, look at the here, and here, 33 and 44. Okay, no need to change because 33 smaller one is already done. So next one, 44 and 22, we have to change the place because 22 is already there. Okay, so 22 will already smaller there. So 22 will go to 44 place, and then 42 will go to the 22 place. And then now check the 44 and 11. Okay, so 11 is a smaller here, so we will put the 11 on top. Okay, and then 44 will be down, because in this step we don't have to solve anymore because this step is already, the largest one is already done. So we will have to stop in this place and then finish already. Now 11 will go up, 44 is go down. Okay, because and here this step is no need to solve. These are all the 55 finished. And the next one here we go check again. First one with second, second one with the third. Okay, because we don't have to check this fourth one now. Okay, because it is already 44 is already the second biggest one is already. So in these methods, we are leaving the down one. The largest one is, okay, we find the largest one first. And the first one, selection sorting, we find the smallest one first. Okay, and here we find the largest one. Okay, then after that, we stop here because 11, and here 33 and 22, 22 is smaller, so go up, change the place, and here 33 and 11, 11 is smaller, so 11 will go up, 33 will go down. So now these three steps, no need to change anymore because we have only left here because these are all solving, okay? And here 22 and 11, okay, 11 will go up and then 22 will go down. So now finish. Okay, so these are two different methods, okay, widely used, selection sorting and bubble sorting. Okay, So it is very, very easy, and the exam you are going to get for 5 marks with their different numbers. Okay, for the assignments also I'm going to give. So in the exam, please read, because assignment you are going to do the both selection sorting and bubble sorting, but in the final exam you will do only one. Okay, one. So please, if you do the assignment, okay, 1 and 2, if you really understand, it will be very easy, okay, for the final. Okay, because please study before the final. If only you are going to study in the final day, when you get the questions, that will be very problem. Okay, so again, like this kind of the drawing, if you think it is difficult for you, okay, to draw in the computer, maybe you can draw early, or maybe you can write it in the paper and then you take the pictures and then you put it there. It is up to you, because I already said that if you do the assignment, how you want to do, you want to draw using the computer or save it. I told you that in the final exam also I'm going to give only 5 different numbers. Okay, so you are going to solve like this kind of things. You only need to change the position, whether the smaller ones will be going up. Okay, so this kind of arrow, okay, you can draw and you can have your own, okay, like this when you do the assignment, if you want to use the computer. Otherwise, no problem for me. You can use the paper, okay, and write it there and take the photo and then put it in the exam answer script and then upload the answer, okay, together with others. Okay, this is your choice. So we finish chapter 8. Okay, again, we have only 2 slides. It's very, very easy, and the exams 5 marks is coming, and assignments also I give SAS, etc. Okay, so this is the last chapter, okay, of the data structure and algorithm subjects. So please study.